Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. I'm a web developer and usually I help nonprofit organization to build a website and then probably CRM, volunteer management system. Now today I was just playing with the ChatGPT and playing with a new feature of deep research. So this is just I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 and this is my prompt. I would like to do some research for my client. They are always, they are in the nonprofit industry. They are always looking for funding opportunity in Canada. So where should I start? So that gives you just a generic response, right? So this is very useful. There's some links here where to look for. But now, so let's turn into this. It's called the little icon here. It's like a megaphone icon. So click that. So it says deep research here. All right. Now this is you have to pay for it, but it used to be, I think you have to pay $200 a month. But now I think the plus user can get it with some limited time, probably 25 deep research per month. But I'm just using the plus as plan. So let's do another prompt here. So let's ask this. Can you make a list of upcoming funding opportunities available in 2025 that support nonprofit organizations' effort? Okay, so let's ask. So that the difference is when you turn on deep research, they ask you like a few questions. So the first one is, do you want funding opportunities from across all Canada or specific region, Ontario, BC? So let's say number one is I'm looking for only in Ontario. Okay, so we can narrow things down. And then what's the number two? Are your clients focused on a specific sector, art, youth, environment, health, education, or should I include all sector? Okay, so let's sectors. Okay. So the third question, are you interested in only government grants or should I include the foundation, corporate, community-based funder too? Yes. So every funding opportunity. Okay, so let's go start. So it takes for a little bit. So it's now searching. Um, so it's not really immediate. So it takes a while. So usually I'm gonna just go grab coffee. So I'm gonna just pause my video and then get some coffee here. Okay, and we'll get back to you. All right, so I came back with a coffee, and then it took me about 10 minutes, and then they're looking search for 24 resources here. Okay, so now, so this is a federal funding program. So they're creating a list, program, the sector, deadline, description, and eligibility, and then information. There's a links here. Okay. Um, this is Ontario Provincial Funding Program. Okay. So let's see what they have here. So let's see, this is, so it looks like this is closed and then the round two is August. Let's take a look here. Open link. So there's a program and you can just go into, right here. Okay. And then let's check this out. So inclusive community grant. So this is a community building. So let's open link here. All right. So that's kind of cool. A skill development fund. Okay. Okay. So this is again Ontario program. Now let's scroll down here. So looks like this is a corporate private foundation grant here. So let's see. Yeah, so this is like RBC Foundation, community investment. So let's take a look. So I click here to apply. Okay, so it comes here. So that's great. So this is pretty useful table or list of funding opportunity in 2025. and I like to share with my client. So I just here's another prompt. So can you create an HTML version of this table for my website under the resource page? So because I have website, I can post it on my website so that my client can take a look at and find the opportunity. So let's ask that. All right, so that's great. All right, so let's open up my WordPress website and the funding opportunities for nonprofit organization in 2025. So I'm going to just copy this. I think that's the copy. So I just press that. And so you have to change the code. So let's just paste that code and let's take a look at the preview. All right, here we go. So it's a nice table here. Also, looks like provincial funding program is not really copied. So I'm going to just, did I copy everything? Their funding. Oh, okay. So it didn't produce everything. So now it's asking me do you want me to include all the other tables, Ontario Provincial and Corporate Private Foundation in the same HTML file? Or keep it as a multi section resources page, collapse. Okay, so I'm going to just include everything, include all the other table. Okay. All right, so that's good. So let's copy that. I'm sure that just copy everything and go back to. So I'm going to paste everything. So now this should include. Okay, so that's first federal. I probably don't need Ontario. Okay, federal, and then Ontario provincial and corporate. So this should have everything. So let's go to find a preview here. Okay, government program. All right, so that looks good, and all the links are provided as well. All right, so this is kind of short video, but it's really easy to do some research. This is how you want to use deep research because it goes through like lots of resources too. Now, today I just specifically target for Ontario province. But if you live in BC or Alberta, East Coast, you can specifically do that or the provincial level or even like a municipal level too. If you're looking for specific city. So yeah, and also the different sector too. So my search was a bit broad, but if you're looking for specifically for like technology, the related opportunity, you can do that too. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.